Hi, welcome to Ty's Conscious Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Alkaline Electric Quinoa Salad. Before I get started, I want to announce that Ty's Conscious Kitchen is celebrating 9 years of serving the community. And I want to thank each of you for all the support over the years. After the video, be sure to visit my website, TysConsciousKitchen.com, for special anniversary sale discounts. Now let's begin. Before I make the quinoa salad, I'm going to boil some quinoa. I have 2 cups of water. I'm going to add a teaspoon of sea salt to the boiling water. And I rinsed off my quinoa earlier. I'm going to, with spring water, rinse it off again. Then you take off the rinsed quinoa and add it to the boiling water. And let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the water is absorbed. Now I'm going to start cutting up some of the vegetables for the quinoa salad. I'm going to take a cucumber and dice it up. You could chop it or dice it, depends on what size you want it. Then take a red onion. I'm going to dice this up also. Then I'm going to take the cherry tomatoes and cut them in half. If you like, you can cut them in quarters or slice them. I like doing them in halves. I have my cooked quinoa in a bowl. I'm going to add the other ingredients. I'm going to add some lime juice, key lime juice, some avocado oil, some seasonings. This is sea salt, onion powder, and cayenne. Give it a little stir. We're going to add some chickpeas to it also. Cooked chickpeas. We're going to add the chopped cucumbers, the red onions. And one thing about quinoa, it's a superfood, and it's also gluten-free. One of the gluten-free grains that's on Dr. Sebi's list. I'm adding cherry tomatoes. Stir those in. And also other gluten-free grains are like teff and amaranth. And in my gluten-free cookbook, volume 5, I have a lot of recipes. And I add some black olives to it. And then I chopped up some cilantro for garnish. You can add if you like to, or if you don't, it's fine. And give it a final stir. And what's nice about this, you can serve it warm or cold. It is very good, and you know what I'm going to say later. And there it is, Alkaline Electric Quinoa Salad. It looks delicious, and it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.